If you want to get a mini capsule dynamic island notifications on Realme GT7 Pro, first of all, we can open our Google Play Store and then in the search look for dynamic island and download this specific app. When it's downloaded, you can open it and then allow all of the access that the app will ask for. So we can go right here and enable the notch. And finally, when everything is allowed, we can go back and you will see your capsule on the top right here. As you can see, it doesn't work very well with this phone, since you can get two different notifications bar, one for quick access and one for notifications. And you can fix that by combining them both, and we can open our settings. Then in the notification and quick settings, we can enter quick settings and then put it to classic, which will combine both, but it still didn't fix the issue. So that is how it looks like on the raw stage without its own support on this device.